If you feel like your ideas get lost in a sea of tools, make Mindrift.ea your new creative companion that turns your Mindrift into actionable insights. Whether you are brainstorming, organizing, or seeking inspiration, Mindrift.ea is here to help you navigate the currents of your creativity. Let's drift and discover together. So, first of all you have to do is dive into Mindrift.ea. So, this is the homepage. As you can see, we have here various information like trying to all improving AI, get paid to write, edit, or annotate content for EA on the platform built for humans with complete time and location flexibility. So before that, let's know what is Mindrift. So Mindrift, a community of experts dedicated to generating high quality data for improving AI, composed of AI tutors, freelance experts, writers, and editors committed to innovation and excellence who leverage collective knowledge and skills to pioneer the next generation of generative AI models. And we have here some information like our connection to Toloka and other things. So in the homepage here we have also if you are a writer, editor, or domain expert, you select the one you want, then you apply now or you log in to find your account. Then we have your annotators, also resources like blog, fake, and about us, it's the definition of Mindrift. Then if we scroll down, we have here other information like priority rules, start earning faster as a writer, as editor, or domain expert. So here we have some benefits of Mindrift. First, flexibility. The flexible working approach it's again a changer and fits imperfectly with my career. Then we have great community. I like the community, especially the leads and editors I work with. They are already kind and helpful. Then we have the last one is get paid frequently. To be honest, the pay rate is high in the comparison to other platforms. Then if we scroll down, we have here some facts about Mindrift. About Mindrift, we have various information like also getting started and questions with answers. We have also qualification here and payment also here. Then how much hours and other things. So to earn money as a writer here, using Mindrift.ai, you can just leverage the platform's features to enhance your writing processes, generate ideas, and streamline content creation. Here are some specific ways you can monetize your skills for writing. So we click over apply now, then first name, last name, email, phone number, country, and LinkedIn profile, personal website, and you click over here if you are agree in those things. So right now I'll give you some way you can monetize your writing skills. So the first one is content creation and freelancer writing, like articles and blog posts, or ghost writing. Then we have the self-publishing like ebooks, courses, and guides. The third one is copywriting and marketing content, and add copy and sales page, content marketing also. And the fourth one is creative writing like fiction and poetry and script writing. Then the fifth one is affiliate marketing and sponsored content like affiliate reviews, sponsored content. And the last one is editing and proofreading areas for improvement. So right now, if you are an editor, all you have to do is click over apply now if you are an editor. So earn money editing diverse content to advance EA into a flexible schedule while getting ready for the world tomorrow. So you write your first name, last name, then your email, your phone number, then your country, and LinkedIn profile also, personal website. And if you are agree, you just click over here and you submit the application. So as an editor, you can use Mindrift.ea to enhance your editing services and streamline your workflow. Here are several ways to earn money as an editor using Mindrift.ea. So the first one is freelance editing services like copywriting, developmental editing. The second one is content review and feedback like manuscript review, and we have the third one is editorial consulting like author coaching, content strategy consulting, and the fourth one is content creation and management. we have like creating anthologies, managing editorial projects, and the fifth one is educational services like editing guides and ebooks also. Then the last one is affiliate marketing and partnership like promoting tools and services. Then if you are a domain expert, all you have to do is click over here and click over apply now and apply as domain expert. Earn money to advance AI writing in your area of expertise inside a flexible schedule with no AI experience needed. So you write your first name, then your last name, your email, your phone number, then your country, and LinkedIn profile, personal website. Then you click over here if you are agree in those things. Then you submit application. So as a domain expert, you have specialized knowledge in a particular field, and there are many ways to monetize this expertise. Here are some strategies to earn money as a domain expert. So the first one is consulting and advisory services like consulting, and the second one is content creation and publishing like writing articles and books, online courses and workshops. The third one is speaking engagement and webinars like public speaking, webinars and online events. The fourth one is expert witness and legal consulting like expert witness. The fifth one is coaching and mentoring like one-on-one coaching, group coaching and mastermind. And the sixth one we have developing and selling like specialized products, proprietary tools and resources, specialist memberships or sets and subscription also. And the last one is academic and research opportunities like teaching and academy and grant funding. So this is it if you are a domain expert. Here we have other information, you can just know it. So I will give you like for writer and editor and domain expert how you can earn money using Mindrift. And here we have other information, you can just read it to more understand about Mindrift. So Mindrift.ea offers a versatile platform for earning money by dropping into creative and intellectual pursuits. Whether you are a writer, editor, content creator, consultant, or entrepreneur, Mindrift.ea can help you streamline your process, generate new ideas, and enhance the quality of your work. By leveraging its tools and features, you can efficiently produce high-quality content, develop marketable products, and offer valuable services. The platform ability to assist in brainstorming, organizing, and refining ideas makes it an invaluable resource for turning your skills and creativity into profitable ventures. With Mindrift.ea, you can unlock new income streams and maximize your earning potential by transforming innovative ideas into tangible results. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.